If you found the UK drone rules confusing, frustrating, or just badly explained, then you are not alone. We speak to drone pilots every day who genuinely want to do the right thing, but still aren't confident they understand what the rules actually allow them to do. Most people end up bouncing between forum posts, random YouTube videos, and conflicting opinions in Facebook groups. And after all that, they're still left guessing. So they either take a chance and hope that they're doing things correctly, or they stop flying altogether just to avoid getting it wrong. Neither of those is a great place to be. The issue usually isn't that the rules are difficult. It's that they're rarely explained clearly, calmly, or in a way that actually applies to real-world flying. And that's why we're building Blue Sky's drone training. The goal is simple: to explain the UK drone rules in plain English, show you what actually applies to you, and help you make confident, responsible decisions when you fly. Right now, we're building our UK CAA A2 training and working through the approval process with the CAA. I can't wait to see you in the community. But until then, I've been Matt Williams. Fly safe and blue skies.